SensiML, the pioneer of AI software tools for building intelligent sensing algorithms for low-power embedded devices. Since 2012, the SensiML team has applied automated AI code generation to a broad range of IoT sensor applications. This know-how is embodied in our end-to-end SensiML Analytics Toolkit suite, empowering developers to quickly build autonomous AI code with or without data science expertise. Our mission is to offer powerful, easy-to-use, production-grade tools enabling the next generation of smart sensing products. The SensiML workflow starts with Data Capture Lab. Where other AI tools overlook the importance of data collection and labeling, SensiML recognized early on that projects more often fail not because of the AI model selection, but rather because of poor quality training data from the outset. In addition to quality-labeled datasets, SensiML provides a unique and powerful approach to AI code generation as well. The typical dilemma that developers face is that powerful code-based AI frameworks are flexible and transparent, but come with a steep learning curve to master. This has ushered in a cadre of UI-driven AutoML alternatives with simple point-and-click interfaces, but inflexible black box code results. This is simply not viable for commercial product development where code must be supported and maintained. SensiML combines the best of both approaches, a graphical UI to quickly build accurate working models rapidly, and both graphical and programmatic methods to drill into the model for full and transparent code control, validation, and supportability. Our SensiML Analytics Studio Notebook supports a familiar Python and Jupyter Notebook IDE with complete customization and source code output options. With an extensive ecosystem of hardware partners, distributors, and systems integrators worldwide, as well as a network of trained local application engineers in each geography, SensiML is giving smart sensing IoT product teams the confidence they need to develop and market differentiated smart products sooner, better, and more efficiently.